On the 23rd of October, Fincantieri launched its first integrated underwater drone system, named Deep, at the Naval Support and Experimentation Center in La Spezia. The live demonstration marked a major step in the group's industrial development in underwater technology. Deep is a dual-purpose platform designed for the protection, development, and maintenance of underwater infrastructure and port areas, while also performing monitoring and environmental protection tasks. Its ability to support both civil and defense missions confirms Fincantieri's position as a leader in the underwater sector. The system integrates a network of early warning underwater sensors, a command and control center for real-time mission coordination, autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, and an AI-based data processing platform. These elements enable operations at varying levels of autonomy, cooperation, and coordination. The launch was attended by Under-Secretary of State at the Ministry of Defense, Hun. Matteo Perego di Cremnago, Fincantieri CEO and Managing Director Pierroberto Folgaro, and senior figures from regional and naval institutions. Their presence highlighted the national and strategic relevance of the initiative. Pierroberto Folgaro, CEO and Managing Director of Fincantieri, stated, "The launch of Deep is tangible proof of our commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation ever deeper. Today we have validated an integrated unmanned underwater drone system that represents an innovative and concrete solution to the challenge of protecting critical infrastructure by using the best technologies available." He added, "This achievement is the result of the work of an outstanding industrial supply chain that enables us to anticipate market needs and position ourselves for the future. We are proud to lead this transformation, which makes a real contribution to the security, growth, competitiveness and technological autonomy of our national system, while also projecting us toward global leadership in the underwater economy." Fincantieri estimates the global underwater technology market to be worth around €50 billion per year, with an accessible share of approximately €22 billion. The group coordinates all activities related to civil, military, and dual-use systems through its underwater technology hub, supporting its role as a reference player in the global underwater landscape.